guys, welcome back. Let's go. Today I'll be preparing some vegan beans with mashed potatoes. Not a lot of ingredients. I use a vegetarian baked bean and some Irish potatoes, which I will be boiling, and I will be adding little seasonings on it. Once my potatoes are cooked, I will be adding some butter, some cream cheese, and I diced some purple onions and some parsley that I will be adding to my beans. So I crushed my potatoes and I added a little milk, some parsley, and I used a little garlic, and I'll be using a little Parmesan cheese because I wanted to. This is also optional, and I used a little Cheddar cheese and a little smoked paprika. And I will not be frying anything. I will just be adding my fresh parsley to the beans with the purple onions and some sweet pepper. And these are all optional. This is a meatless meal. It can be used as dinner or lunch. So I pour my beans in my bowl, and then I'll add my seasonings. I'll mix this in. I added a little hint of black pepper and also a little hint of oregano. Once I mix this in, then I will add my softened potato that I added my little seasonings to. Then I will add this in my oven to bake for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Then I will sprinkle with the cheese, and I will leave this uncovered to bake in my oven. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Please remember, subscribe, like the videos. Please remember to set your notification bell. Thank you for stopping by. I'm giving you a second to subscribe and set that notification bell. Once done, you can also garnish with a little Italian seasoning, which I did, and little parsley just for color presentation. Then I added some cheese, and then I added a little more Parmesan cheese with the Velveeta cheese on top of this, and I will be adding in my oven to bake. This is it before I added it to my oven. There it is in my oven, 350 degrees, and this is the finished meal. This tasted really good. Meat sometimes is not important. I do hope that you'll enjoy this video. I also do hope that you will try this too with your choice of bean, and this tasted really good. Thank you for stopping by. Stay tuned and see you again Sunday in another video. Thank you all for the support. Please remember to give your girl a like. This was a quick vegan meal. Stay tuned.